Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. Anyway, this is the Model Club TV Warthling Bust Contest, and this is my entry. And as you can see, Warthling has been taken over by R2-D2, but don't worry, he will be repaired and returned to normal. The other droid, the astromech droid, is here for the rescue. But you can tell he's not having much fun here. Not at all.
And then we have from Steven Sutton. This is another one. When this one came up, I was like, holy cow.
Man,
dude.
This is awesome.
So cool. And I hate, it's hard to talk because it's hard to talk over these. Because I just want to look at him.
Nice paint, even give him some gray hair and a beard.
Yep.
Awesome work.
And then, all right, we are back, and we have Mark Warthling here to pick our winner. But that has changed. Mark, take it away, sir.
Head. Look at it, big giant head.
How are you, man? You good? This was pretty tough, huh? All good.
I'm very good. Yeah. The Mark, I don't know, what do we call it?
The head contest? The Mark head contest? I don't even know. We didn't have a name.
So we started this thing. It just kind of happened. And we had people jump in, and I didn't know what to expect. I mean, I had no idea what to expect.
Me either. I'm surprised 4 people did
it. Well, number one, we had
13?
13, 14 if you count Jason Walker, and I hope you showed
I did show mine. I did.
Okay, good. But 13 people that really went all out and like really put together something pretty creative. I mean, I was really surprised.
Yeah, me too.
Shocked. Second runner-up, and this goes to a theme that has always been near and dear to my heart, probably to all of our hearts, Star Wars. So second runner-up, I've got to go with Steven Sutton and the Mark R2-D2. So
very great.
I thought that was very, very cool, and just real fun, and a nice combination of the Mark head with a Star Wars theme, which I never thought would happen.
Me either. I was so surprised when that came in. I was like, holy cow. Totally out of left field. So, all right. Very good.
I had a lot of fun painting this bust. It was part of a contest from Model Club TV. If you haven't done so already, head over to Model Club TV and subscribe to their YouTube channel. They are really close to making 1,000 subs, and they can use all the subs they can get. It's a fantastic channel. They review garage kits from the industry along with 3D printing. So the Warthling bust here only cost me in shipping, and the bust itself was free from Mark Warthling. Pestilence Labs, Mark Warthling. Check out Pestilence Labs on Facebook. I'll put links down below, but like I said, this was a lot of fun, and I got to use a Bandai kit for this. It was fun building the R2-D2 and the other droid. So Bandai and the Warthling bust combination was fun. The skin tones were painted in acrylics, mainly Badger Stymorez flesh tone with the 3-tone washes that I used. You can find a video on how I do my skin tones. I'll put a link down below. Both droids were clear coated in a Krylon matte finish, and I did use the stickers instead of the decals for both droids. What a blast this was. Give me your comments below, and at the end of this video I'll try to post up other people's entries into this contest from Model Club TV. So thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate everyone who supports my channel. Look for a big giveaway up and coming. The giveaway is contingent on how many subs I get, but I will be making that announcement very soon. If you're already a subscriber, you're already in, and I will explain that when I make the announcement. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm. It helps get new people to view my channel, and I appreciate everyone who does that. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care. Now the project I'm working on is R2-D2 is going to be modified a little bit temporarily with a Warthling head, and so I have to cut out the inside of the dome, so the head, so this can go over the Mark Warthling head like a hat. So I'm slowly working on that. Here's the Mark Warthling head, so I'm slowly painting him up. It's for a little contest on Model Club TV. So that's what he looks like, and he's gonna fit right there. And then of course the dome is gonna go on top of his dome.